Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use Zapier with Gmail. This integration is incredibly powerful because it allows you to automate email sending based on triggers from other apps, saving you tons of manual work and ensuring timely communication with your contacts. First, you'll need to either click on an existing Zap that you want to edit or create a brand new one from scratch. Once you're inside your Zap, look for the blue plus sign and click on it. This button is what allows you to add a new action step to your automation workflow. Now in the app search field that appears, type Gmail and select it from the results. Zapier will then ask you to choose what action you want Gmail to perform. For most cases, you'll want to select Send Email, but depending on your specific needs, you might choose something like Send Email Advanced, which gives you more customization options. For this tutorial, we'll stick with the standard Send Email action. Next, click the Sign In button. This is where Zapier connects to your Gmail account. If you haven't authorized Gmail with Zapier before, you'll be prompted to grant the necessary permissions. This step is crucial because it allows Zapier to send emails on your behalf securely. Once you've signed in and authorized the connection, click Continue to move forward. Now comes the important part, mapping your fields. This is where you tell Zapier exactly what information to include in each email it sends. In the To field, enter the recipient's email address. This could be a static email or dynamic data pulled from your trigger step. In the Subject field, type something like Test Subject or whatever subject line you want your emails to have. Then, in the Body field, enter Test Email Body or the actual message content you want to send. These fields are what make each automated email unique and relevant. After you've filled in all the necessary fields, click Test. This step is important because it uses sample data from your webhook or trigger to send an actual test email, allowing you to verify that everything is working correctly before you activate the Zap. Once the test completes successfully, click Continue. Finally, click Test Step one more time to ensure everything is functioning properly, and then hit Publish if you're ready to make your Zap live. Publishing activates the automation, so from this point forward, your Zap will automatically send Gmail messages whenever your trigger condition is met. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Zapier with Gmail to automate your email sending. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.